How's it going, folks? It's Eli with Crypto Reborn and Team Destiny here. And you know what? I'm really excited about getting this out to you. I made my video the other day. It was a little lackluster. I've been sick and lungs been killing me. So we feel much better today. So let's get into it. So we're talking about sports trading today. That's right. No more arbitrage trading. No more worried about whether the Forex is going to go do its thing or somebody's going to crash and lost their money. What the fantastic thing is that we're going to use Bitcoin. And we're going to mix it with sports from around the world: soccer, basketball, football, hockey, baseball. Here when cricket starts, apparently cricket's a real thing. It's huge around the world. So that's what we're doing. They started back in August, and we've actually attended the official launch party on the first down in Orlando. And unfortunately, as the camera guy, I'm always the guy taking pictures and not the guy being taken pictures of. So I don't really have a whole lot of pictures of me down there. Got a few, but they're not really worth sharing. Me at the beach, actually. Other than that, we're getting into sports trading, and what do they do? Of course, like I said, they started on the first. They opened up here. They are based out of the British Virgin Islands. I would imagine I think we all know the reasons why for that. But the owner actually lives down in Alabama. His name is James Ward. We met with him personally and went through a bunch of questions. And you know me, I'm the skeptical one, and didn't get all my questions answered. But I got them answered enough to where I'm down with this. I think we're going to do great things with it, and we're running with it. So let's have a look on what we're doing after that. He's been doing this for a couple years now. He's been using his sports handicappers from around the world and doing their thing, and now we're going to do it in a larger way. You see, we came down and met him. We had a bunch of one-on-one calls and private meetings with him while we were down there, and we're doing really good for that one. And of course, now anyone can do this. You don't need to worry about, like I said, worried about whether the Bitcoin goes up or goes down or whether the markets are doing their thing. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. We don't worry about the cash value. We worry about the accumulation of more Bitcoin. Because eventually, one of these days, it'll be stupid and we can all retire with what we got. So, and not to mention, this thing pays daily. If you get in there rocking in and you've got your thing set up, this thing actually does pay every day. There are, again, no dark days for holidays. That's always a good one because you know what? We have football on holidays. We have baseball on holiday. World Series is coming up, so we get to go do all that. Now, they don't win. Like I said, they don't win all the time, and they don't really have to. What they have to do is hit above a certain winning percentage, and he's been doing it for a long time, and his sports handicappers are doing pretty good. All those things are in the background or in the back office. Once you get logged in, they put up the odds every week in the games that they're going to play on. And then when the games get played, they get marked down whether win or loss, and they're rocking a good 60% win rate right now. So that'll definitely get them going. Now, of course, how does that make us money? Well, it's a binary. If if you like the market, it's a fantastic thing. Get lots and lots and lots and lots of money. They get a fast start bonus for signing up. If your package is big enough, and it starts off with 5% for the first one and goes down there, you get your trade bonus. Right now, we're rocking a 1.38% a day. Is what we're getting. That's no binary, no nothing. As long as you have a qualified ticket to ride, you're going to earn your 1.38% a day. You also get there's resale sales we can do for games of the weeks and enter into the drawings. They're doing a drawing for the Super Bowl package. They're going to send somebody to the Super Bowl down and give them $1,000 of spending cash to go play with, which is pretty fantastic. They're also doing a $10,000 shopping spree. You can throw a couple tokens and get that one going on. And, of course, there's always the binary, which looks something like this. It's a pretty straightforward one, and we're going to so let's go break down those 4 different ways. We have a fast start. Obviously, when you jump in, when you have packages 5 through 8, you start getting bonuses on your package 5. You'll get your extra 5%. If you build your binary down there, you get 3% of the next leg and then 2% of the next level. So as you go up on that one, that was a pretty fantastic thing. Your binary, you get a 12% bonus if you are up to 12%. The bottom one's 5 when you start off with the minimum investment, which is 0.01. And you have trader bonus. This is where you get, right, this month is 1.38, like I said. And that equal until you've doubled your package, and then your package is complete and you've got double what you put in, and you get to start again. And of course, there's how you get qualified for all this stuff, and once we'll definitely get into that one later. So I don't want to make this video too long today, but it works out. It works out really well. We're gonna get this up. Well, that's pretty much how you make money in this thing. We're gonna keep doing that one. If you get more interested on that one, let me know. We'll get you down there. You jump in mine, and you go ahead and benefit from the spillover from me, because it's growing fast. I got definitely got legs that are bigger than the other, or a leg that's bigger than the other, and we're gonna keep pushing it down there, filling it up. All right. Other than that, you all have a great day. We'll get you more about this later, especially about maybe some of the actual plans and how it works all. But I'm not going to waste too much time with it. This is to give you the people who want to know. This is what you want to see. So here you go. All right, later, folks.